Well, thanks for joining me here in the Great White North for another silly video. Once again, the wind is just ripping, as you can tell by the flag of this great country. I'm going to have to go outside and help my feathered friends, especially the ones eating on the ground. The snow has covered everything. The bird bath is kind of frozen over, but I think it's still enough that they're getting some. But I'm going to go out and give them a little hand, some feed out for them. Peanuts, peanut butter, check the water, and I also got to get wood in. So, bye for now.